Public or private proposal? What are your views? Public proposal, private proposal. What are your views? Need to hear it. So persons talking about public proposal, they're saying that for public proposal, they like the excitement. They like to show their queen and their significant other. Say, yo, I care about her. This is it. This is it. This is it. And then go all out. Also, public proposals, you'll find too that some persons might say, right then and there with the crowd, they want their supporters, they want everybody right there with them, supporting them, cheering them on. Say yes, you go girl, say yes, all of that. Private on the other hand, what happens in private is that persons are of the view that, people are more sober, it's more intimate, no distraction, no crowd, so this person can say their true feelings and tell you right then and there that yes, you are the one, or no, you are not the one. So that's it for private. Also, it gives them that opportunity without the crowd, without any biases, without any distraction, to really just be open and honest right then, right there. Public or private proposals? What are your views? Let me know. Public or private proposals?